It is going to be a cool morning, pretty nice morning if you do plan to head outdoors. Let's take you up to the mountains here. This is a live look at Julian. Pretty quiet, but we are seeing at least the blue skies there. Along the coast, and it's going to be a little bit slower to clear. Right now we are at 59 in Carlsbad, 10 degrees cooler in Julian. If you're waking up in Ramona, 50 degrees right now, although you are still dealing with some of that patchy fog. El Cajon at 56, Vista at 55. So this system here, this is going to push on into our region, and that is going to start to change things and bring with it a chance of some showers here. We could potentially see some light drizzle, some light rain Sunday night into Monday, and then Monday potentially on and off showers. We're going to keep that slight chance here over the next few days because of that low pressure system here moving into our area. For today though, we are going to be dry. We'll be in the 60s in Del Mar, Carlsbad, Escondido, low 70s, Poway at 73. We'll be about 75 degrees there in El Cajon. As we look ahead, temperatures will drop as we get into Sunday, and just keep in mind we are going to be dealing with those chances for showers, drizzle Sunday night into Monday, on and off there expected on Monday. As we look at our inland valleys here, yes, it is going to cool down. By Wednesday we will be in the mid 60s. Heading up into the mountains, mid 60s for today. The desert still pretty hot, 93 today, and then it will drop into the upper 80s by tomorrow.